Alright, good morning everyone. Today is Friday the 12th day of December 2025. I just want to make a really quick video here showing you how to use the new swing trade tool bands. Okay, here's the chart that's got absolutely nothing on it. All you have to do is go to indicators. This is the one you want to put on. It's the one with the dashes in front of it. This is still in development. If you get in this video, if you're watching this video, it's still in development. Eventually I'm going to put everything that's in that into this one. But for right now, just click on this one time and it goes on the chart. Alright, all you're looking for here is for the black line, the black arrow to be completely outside the bands. You're going to get gray arrows before you get the black arrow. There'll always be a gray arrow, at least one, before you get a black arrow. The gray arrows are pointing in the direction that the black arrow is going to trigger. Okay, now the gray arrows happen on up closes, and the black arrow is going to happen on the down close. If you have arrows pointing down, gray arrows pointing down, they're going to be on up closes, telling you the next down close is likely to be the trade. If the arrows are pointing up on down closes, it's telling you the next up close is likely to be the trade. This is a layout right here called webinar. I have shared this webinar out to you. It'll be right here. I'll share the webinar. I'm not the webinar. I'll share the layout to you, and in this video, obviously. So all you have to do, that's all you're looking for, is for that. All right, that black arrow to be outside the band. That's when you take the trade, when it's fully outside the band, like that. Take a short, take a long, take a short, take a short. It gets rid of all these little ones inside that may or may not go anywhere. Alright, it cuts out all those stop outs. Now it also works well with equities and ETFs. Okay, here it is right now on the SPY, and this is from, well, I just flipped this to 100 range SPY. Now every bar in here on the SPY on 100 range is $1. So yesterday, I think this was yesterday, 2 days ago actually, on the 10th, they gave this trigger right here to go short. And I believe this one was yesterday, gave a trigger here to go long. And this morning gave one right here to go short. I think that's today. No, that was yesterday afternoon. Give one right here to go short. Same stuff over and over and over again. Okay, and this is on the SPY. If I change it to the QQQ, it'll be the same stuff on the QQQ once it populates. Alright, there it is. You go long there, you go short there. That one there, that wouldn't have worked out so well. That was right before, this was when the market reopened last night. But you had this one right here that was really nice. That one didn't go anywhere. But it works great on everything. Okay, within the indicator itself, you don't have to change anything. Alright, just put it on and you can go watch the video that I did, the webinar that I did, where I did a deep dive on the stuff in here. It was on December 11th. 2025. Alright, it's on the website targetviewtrades.com. It's also out in YouTube. Alright, just take a look at that stuff, and that's how you use this tool. Oh, and I always forget to say this part. If you want to take a trial, if you haven't taken a trial and you want to take the trial, go to tvtrades.com. Click on any of these orange buttons right here. It's going to bring you down to the bottom of the page, all the way down to the bottom of the page, and just choose one of these trial plans right here. Okay, that's all you need to do. That was tv-trades.com. Just go to that page.